Hey divas, so in today's video we are going to be doing a baddie on a budget. I found 3 bags that are super cute, but they're super affordable and they're definitely giving baddie on a budget. Okay, so I'm going to be sharing them with you guys today. So yeah, let's just jump right in. So before we jump right in, I'm not going to be too long. I just wanted to let you guys know that you do not always have to spend like a whole bunch of money to look nice. Okay, I see that far too much. Like, people are trying to buy designer and buying crazy type of stuff like that's even above and beyond their means, and you don't have to do that to look nice. Okay, I am not going to be a hypocrite. I do buy my designer bags here and there for myself. I treat myself because I work hard, honey. But you do not have to buy a designer bag, okay? And I actually find it more fun when I could find a bag that looks like a designer bag for the low, okay? And I get the same look. It's like, okay, so why am I spending? I could just put that in my savings, get this one for the low, and we move on, okay? Okay, so the first 2 we're going to talk about is from Walmart. I am going to go ahead and talk about them one at a time. This one I have not had the pleasure of wearing, but it is very, very beautiful. I couldn't find any links online, so definitely just go, like, right after this video, honey, just go to your local Walmart and get you one of these bags. Okay, you guys know the dupe for this bag, like, and it looks the same, but yeah, like, this bag is really, really cute. This will look so good with anything that is chic. Okay, I love the ruching. I love everything about it. They also have them available in other colors at Walmart as well. And also, I'm glad that the tag is still on here. I think I have the price memorized for the other one, but honey, this is cute. It will get the job done. Now, while the leather, it's a faux leather, I don't see, as long as you are easy on your bags, like, you won't have to worry about like any damage or anything. Or don't just sit your purse down, you know, like, that is just like, you don't want to do that anyways, because you don't want to pick up like any germs or anything. But yeah, I feel like this bag is really cute. I haven't had the pleasure of wearing it. I do plan on wearing it because it is so freaking cute and I just love the look. Okay, it gives me the look for the low. So the next bag is this one. I actually had the pleasure of already wearing this one. If you guys seen my basic baddie outfit, I think I posted, yeah, I posted here on YouTube. It was like a YouTube short, and then I also posted it on my reels, and I wore this with a really cute basic baddie outfit. And I just feel like this, I just love the fact that this purse can be dressed up and down, and I love actually how big it is because I could fit all of my stuff in here, because I am transitioning from loving like super big bags to liking something that's a little bit smaller. But I could appreciate this one. This is like a medium-sized bag to me, in my personal opinion. But yeah, like, this gives me that designer look for the low. Okay, this one was like, I think it was either $24.97 or $29.97. I cannot remember because I already snatched the tags off of it. I could not wait. Okay, but I know I had to come here and share it with you guys, and like I said, I couldn't find any links, so definitely just go ahead and go to your Walmart and check it out. But yeah, this bag is super cute. They also have other colors, but I am becoming a minimalist and I want to incorporate more basics. So I was like, let me get something that I can carry through seasons, and also something that can match everything, and a color that I love. I'm very comfortable with neutrals, and I feel like neutrals give you that elevated look. So yeah, that's why I decided to go with this color. However, they do have another brown one, and if I could find it, because these are sold out like in my local Walmart, so I might have to drive out to go get some. But they do have like a darker brown one that I want to get, because that one is really cute, and it's a, you know, it's an elevated basic color too. So yeah, but anyways, so yeah, I think this one is very expensive. Well, it is very expensive for the designer, and like I said, like, if it can be duped like so easily, like, I'm definitely not spending the coin on it. Okay, and like I said, it's no offense to those of you who did, but I'm just saying, like, this gives you the look. So for the last bag, this one did come from Target, and it's this one here, and I'm sure someone will comment down below, or you already know. Okay, you already know it in your head. But I did add this chain. This was actually a necklace, but I just absolutely hated the way it looked on me, especially because I'm into more minimalist type of jewelry now, and this was just, it was giving too much. Okay, so I was like, well, I'm gonna put it on my purse. Okay, I really do like this purse as well. I have featured this in some real videos. It does also come with a crossbody strap, and while I featured it in real videos, I have not worn it. Okay, I just paired it for the look, and don't act like you don't know that us influencers do this, or if you're an influencer, you know. If you know, you know. But yeah, like, I have not had the pleasure of wearing this bag out yet, but I really do like it. I think it's really, really nice. I also really love the fact that I can wear it as a handbag. Now, I don't know, I think it would be very uncomfortable if I wear it like this, yeah, because it's a little bit too chunky for that. But I don't generally like to wear my bags like that anyways. But yeah, I just added this strap, and this is actually a necklace like I told you guys before, but you could find these anywhere, like on Amazon and stuff. But yeah, this bag was at Target. I believe it was like $29, so that is really good because, of course, you know, it's a dupe bag. So you know, I feel like $29 is really good for a quality purse. This is faux leather, so just make sure, you know, you're not too rough with your bag, which I don't see anybody being that rough with their bag. But yeah, overall I like it. I feel like it gives me the look and for the low. Okay, so yeah, divas, I do plan to do more baddie on a budget videos. I just kind of wanted to introduce you guys to them on my channel, because I really love helping you guys find things for the low. Okay, like, I really want you guys to save money. I want myself to save money. I'm on this new journey, so any way that I can possible, I'm definitely gonna let you guys know. Okay, so I do hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I found it very helpful and easy to follow. If you did, then please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions or anything like that, definitely leave it in the comment section below. I would love to chat with you guys. Let me know if you're gonna go to your Walmart and pick any of these up. Definitely let me know. Be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit that notification bell. I do upload quite often, so you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.